What is up guys, it's CB Tech over here and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the upcoming flagship device from Samsung. We have covered and made much of videos in the past, but this video will confirm all the previous leaks and will add more to the existing ones. It is reported that Beast will be announced next month in February at MWC Mobile World Congress, and it is backed up with an article which says that Samsung will unveil its next flagship at MWC, which is also confirmed by smartphone chief of Samsung DJ Ko. So it means that we should expect the next big thing to launch from 26th February to in between somewhere to 1st of the March, which is the time for MWC. Talking about the camera specifications of Samsung Galaxy S9, Ice Universe leaked that S9 camera will be having 12 megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture / f1.5 aperture, and S9 Plus camera will be having 12 megapixel plus 13 megapixel camera shooter with f1.4 aperture. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be packing Exynos 9 series processor under the hood, which is going to be significantly faster than Snapdragon 835 present in current Galaxy S8. It could either have Exynos 9 processor or will have a Snapdragon 845 processor, depending in which region do you live. And here are some of the component leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S9. This logic board was leaked by an unknown person, which confirms the existence of headphone jack in S9 and S9 Plus. Here is a leaked images of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which shows a mirror type of finish, which is kinda cool. And here was an image leaked by the cell phone case making company, which leaked a design for the Samsung Galaxy S9, and we kinda know this design for a long now, but it further confirms the existence of Samsung Galaxy S9 with this type of design. Here are the leaked images of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus front panel, which was uploaded by Ice Universe onto the Twitter. It is also said that Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be having stereo speakers, which we can clearly see on this leaked image, which shows that the speaker hole grill is much more bigger and wider. It means that we are going to have a very good audio experience overall, and it is going to be much more better than S8 and S8 Plus. The speakers are going to be tuned by AKG. Last but not the least, the retail box packaging of Samsung Galaxy S9 have been leaked, so let's check it out. So the box says that it is going to have super slow motion 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilization, stereo speakers tuned by AKG, IP68 water and dust resistant, iris scanner, 64 GB of memory / 4 GB of RAM for S9, and it includes wireless charging, and charging pad is required for that, and the earphones which are included are also tuned by AKG. So here is the packaging leaked for S9, and here are the full specs revealed for the S9. So this was it from today's video guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.